Tough Love Tuesday. If I could just wave a magic wand and give you a habit, what would you choose? Magic wand, not the wand of mediocrity. Most people fail at building a habit because they're focusing too much on just the willpower and the repetition aspect. There's so much more to it than that. A habit is something that's so ingrained in your life that it doesn't actually take effort, really, or thinking about it anymore. Like, right now, are you wasting effort thinking about the willpower needed to brush your teeth later? No, you're just gonna do it, right? Creating a new habit is about reprogramming your autopilot settings. You've got to shift your mindset and your self-image in relation to this new habit. This is going to help you overcome and minimize the resistance until it's no longer relevant. At Kickstart 2023, we're going to take you through creating a new habit the easiest way without torturing yourself, without being an yourself, because side note, that never works. And you'll walk away with the decision on what habit you're going to prioritize in 2023, a really concrete, solid plan on how you're going to do it, mindset, and self-image tools you're going to need to set yourself up, and this crazy amount of awareness that guaranteed you don't have now on your current patterns and what's keeping you stuck in them. Consider this, 3 months from now, this habit could just be an effortless part of your life. Just think of all the energy and brain power you'd have to put towards like fun stuff. Register free, you know where to click.